nigga. Period. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, give a fuck got a nigga. Real bitch, fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga. Fuck got a nigga.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am in my washroom because I was getting ready in here, and I did my hair like a week ago. I don't quite remember. I think it was like a week ago, and I did the extended ponytail method. The last time I did the low version, I did record it. It is somewhere way down back, I think probably like a month ago or 2 months ago. I don't remember, but I did do it, and I did kind of show you guys like how I do the extended method. So for this one, I did do it myself. Yes. The last one my friend did it because it was like way in the back here and it was too hard to like wrap around. But the same way in which I did the lower one is the same way I did this. This one was kind of easier for me because it's like more hair. I honestly like this lighting. It's like giving me like a natural vibes. But yeah, I'm just going to jump in this video because I feel like I'm just talking some foolishness. I'm just looking to myself. I did do my makeup myself as well. These lashes that I'm wearing are from Lady Lash by Ash, which is my lash line. It's dropping June 3rd, so stay tuned. These that I'm wearing, I don't remember the name. But when I do remember, I'll put it down in the description box. Yeah, so then you guys can see, just in case you guys want to like order these style. But yeah, okay, enough with the chit chat and let's jump into this video. Hi guys. Okay, so I'm literally trying to wrap my hair in a bun. I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I don't know. Because the hair is literally like it's plaited all the way out here. So like my hair is right, like my hair stops right here, right? So in order to wrap it, like it might give me like some headache, but I'm going to try my best. I think I'm going to wrap it from this side. Guys, hair, like I did say, it's not like tight, but I'm going to leave it like this because I wanted it to be like a little messy, and kind of still have like that neat vibes going with it. But for the most part, I think it did come out okay. Like right here is literally my natural hair that is like plaited, or for Americans, braided. So I was in the middle of getting ready, like literally putting on my clothes, and I remember that I did not mention that the hair is from Hairsnstn, my hair company, and I use 2 bundles of body wave texture and I think it was the 24 inches. Anyways, it's the same hair that you saw me using in the initial ponytail, extended ponytail method. Hair video is the same hair that I'm using now. So yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys in my next video.